As part of the dynamic Pragma group, the Pragma Academy is at the forefront of skills development. Our academy boasts world-class training delivered by a team of seasoned consultants who are true subject matter experts. The Pragma Academy holds the prestigious title of being the first organization in South Africa accredited to offer the planner qualification at NQF Level 5, a title that reflects our commitment to setting the standard for this pivotal role within asset management teams. We take pride in having over 400 learners already immersed in their studies or having successfully completed the qualification. The planner qualification, with its transformative impact, is not just a milestone for individuals, but a catalyst for measurable results within their organizations.
Many organizations now are being measured in terms of the 3 Ps, people, planet, and profit. The people, health and safety is paramount in all organizations now. There's no way of being able to avoid it. Planet, it's all about making sure that any environmental impact assessments are carried out before work is planned. And then of course profit is all about optimizing those maintenance resources to make sure that they're in the right place at the right time, doing the right work. Throughout South Africa at the moment, artisanal skills are very highly sought after, particularly experienced artisans who have spent a lot of time at the coalface. And without a planner, it is very easy that the skilled artisans are called into the plant in order to attend to issues left, right, and center in a very unstructured way. So for you as an artisan, foreman, or someone with the technical skills, the planning office offers you an opportunity to broaden your skills into logistics, into computer systems, broaden your engagement with other people within the business, being able to lead them, come up with ideas as to how work can be done more efficiently and more effectively, using your technical expertise to guide the procedures that work is carried out with, ensuring that it is done safely and putting all the checks and balances in place for the organization. The use of a qualified planner ensures that they optimize all of those resources that are required to carry out the maintenance in the plant.
So I was a non-technical planner all my life, and then got a promotion into a coordinator. I think the planner qualification just gave me that little bit more to close the gap between myself and the technical planners that work for me. I think it's definitely worth it to enroll your people and a benefit for the company. We have seen that the guys that's actually committed to it actually improved as planners. I have the qualification now, no one can take it away from me.
I think this was the first institution to start offering such type of maintenance training for people who are currently working, to incorporate it with the work schedule. So with this training, like, you can go anywhere because you have a point of reference now. So I'll really encourage people who are thinking of, enrolling in this course to grab it with both hands, because after this course, they will look at the role of maintenance planner differently. So it's #work management, it's #planner training course, it's #Pragma Academy. Thank you.